Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Atif Yuliani. I'm Zainab Sharafa.
I'm Farid Mubarak.
We're from class 2C, and now we're gonna do some podcast talking about
English language teacher about our figure.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, before we begin to our conversation, like our podcast, we're gonna give the information that we're both before,
We were from Kampung Inggris Pare.
yeah, studying English with there. So we have same figure, different person, but
Same place in Pare.
yeah. So it was like our tutor before, and that's our figure in English. So who is the person? Maybe from you.
I was okay. I would like to introduce him. His name is Mr. Katnawi Ilyas. Usually people call him by Mr. Awi. He was born in Indramayu on 23 March 1984.
Okay, now for me, who's the person is my tutor before when I went in Kampung Inggris Pare. His name is Mr. Budi Harjo. I don't know where he's born, but he was my tutor before, so I could see him as my figure in this topic. And the question, what does he do? He has become a tutor there. I don't know since when, but I think since a long time he became a tutor there. And what has he or she contributed in ELT? So actually, beside his job as a tutor in his course, he also made his own course, English course, and that's really it's really recommended for us, like millennial people, because he also mainly contribute things like he know the trend, like yeah, kind of like that.
Okay, second, I would like to share my opinion about him. He is a founder of one of the English course in Pare. The name is Delta EC. He is very contribute in there, and he is as one of the lecturer in their university of there. Name is Yai Hasanuddin Pare. So he make many books for us to study, model books in about English grammar, English speaking, and many games. So it is one of the my opinion. So he really contributed to us as the learner in Kampung English.
Okay, next question. When or how did you know him or her? Of course, because he is my tutor, so I know him. But at my first month when I went there, I don't know him actually because he is the tutor of senior, like another level. So I still in the basic level. So he is in the senior level. And yeah, when I know him, when I go to the next level, and then actually also for your information, he has a famous tutor that's why this become my figure or my idol, because he was everyone's idol in that courses.
I know him when I go to there because he is my tutor and one of the founder in the English course. So every day I meet him and I know more about him. He is as the tutor and he is as lecturer in that university.
Final question: why does he influence PLT files. I think because he has a passion in English. Also, you know what trend now, like what's viral now. So because English is his passion, so he can improve what's trend now with his English. Like he usually update his social media. In another hand, he active in his social media. He upload about English knowledge. He also teach in his own course and another course.
Language teacher from he is a tutor and a lecturer, so he share his knowledge in to us as our learner. So I think that is the influence in English. He gave us the knowledge about the English language lesson, and he forced us to speak English because the first time I go there I couldn't speak English, and he said to me to don't worry to speak and force yourself to speak. So maybe my spirit is up to learn and study more about English. And he gave I like his he teach us like give us some motivation and many others.
Okay, the last
The last
question.
question: how will you implement his thought in your future career? Because he said to me, you can do that, you can do it. So I really appreciate what he said. So I really remember when he said the first time I meet him like that, say like that, you can speak English. Because I'm afraid in studying bahasa, in language, and I feel myself to I cannot to speak and I cannot to learn more about English. But he said like that, so I would like to thanks to him first, and I will study more because I don't want to disappoint him in as a student of him.
That's good. That's really good.
Thank you. Okay.
So for me, how will you implement his thought in my future career? Because he was, was a famous tutor, and also we can say that he is a celebrity in Instagram and TikTok because he active in social media. So I think I will implement him with his journey, like he posts his knowledge, so it's really beneficial for others and can motivate others to learn more about English. Okay, maybe that's all from us.
Last I say,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.